Color Treatment Shampoo. A gentle shampoo that prevents color from fading while keeping color-processed and highlighted hair looking radiant. Color is locked in while providing UV protection, ensuring the color stays brilliant after multiple washes. Great to bring back healthy hair repairing with natural oils and proteins. Infused with keratin protein. Essential in restoring the hair's health. This protein is needed for strong, shiny, soft strands. Free from sodium chloride, it contains a blend of natural oils, amino acids, vitamins, and protective antioxidants, which promotes shine. Keratin strengthens the hair by providing proteins essential in maintaining the hair's structure. Provides UV protection. Sun can be a major contributor to fading color and dulling the hair's shine, making it look lifeless, dull and aging. Hypersilk Color Treated Shampoo is infused with keratin to strengthen the hair while protecting it from UV rays, keeping strands shiny and the color's intensity. Deep cleanses and nourishes hair. The gentle sodium chloride-free formula cleanses hair without stripping away the natural oils from the roots of color-treated hair. The amino acid complex in the shampoo helps to prevent breakage, repairs hair, and dry scalp. 100% cruelty-free. Our products are never tested on animals. Your healthy hair journey begins here. At Lasio, our passion extends far beyond hair. Our purpose here at Lasio is to create high-quality products for all hair types and backgrounds. We hope to inspire others to have the confidence they need to thrive and prosper on their journey, just as we have. Our products are designed with the highest quality ingredients and resources available in the beauty industry. Each product has been carefully crafted by our team of experts to ensure you get the best results possible. Top reviews from the United States. Clean, fresh. When you use this shampoo, you don't need a lot as it goes a long way. This is the best stuff, especially if you have or had the Lasio Keratin treatment. Works great on color-treated hair as well.